Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will learn how to use functions in our Swift language. A function is a set of statements combined together to perform a function or a task. The syntax of a function is func. Func is the keyword used to create a function. Function name, list of arguments. Arguments are the variables that can be used inside our function body. Then the return type. Return type can be any return type of our function. Then the return value. This value should be of the return type. For example, if our return type is integer, then this value should be an integer value. In this video, we will see how to create a function and then call a function. Now, let us see a practical implementation of functions in our application.
To create a function in Swift language, first we need to write the func keyword. Func is a keyword that lets the compiler know that we are creating a function here. After that, we give the function name, that is say hi for right now. After that, we give the list of arguments. So currently we are giving only one argument of type string, that is persons is of type string. After that, we write a hyphen followed by an angle bracket. After that, we write the return type of our function, that is the value that we want to return from our function. We write the data type of that value. After that, inside this we write whatever actions we want to perform on our values, or whatever we want our function to do, we write inside these curly braces. After that, when everything is done, we write the return and the value. So this return returns a value, whatever value we want to return, and this must match with the return type of our function. So for example, if we are returning a string here, then this value should be a string only. So inside this function, what we are doing is we are creating a constant here, greeting, and we are assigning a value hello, and then the value passed with the function, that is person. So it should print hello and the value inside this person, and then it should print this exclamation mark, and then it is returning greeting. So it is not printing anything, it is just returning a value greeting. So this is how we declare functions. After that, how we call functions. To call the functions, we need to write the function name, and then we need to pass the parameters that are required by that function. So for example, if you want to write this function, because this function is not printing anything, it is just returning a value, so we can't see the result on console. To see the result, what we will do is we'll write this function inside a print statement. Print say hi, and inside person we'll write a string called tutorials point. So now when we run this function, it will print hello tutorials point, because we are printing whatever is returned from this function. This is all we will do with functions. Thank you.